Hey guys, it's Crazy Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I have a quick Dollar General update for you guys, plus we have a new glitch to go over. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button because it's a free way that you can help your girl out. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, y'all know I love hearing from you, so please leave me a comment down below before you go, and also take a minute to share this video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, let's jump right in. Alright guys, so we are back at the kitchen table, and I just wanted to share with you guys really quickly my little Dollar General haul that I did today, and today is Friday, April the 29th. Now it is pretty late, so I'm going to be posting this video first thing in the morning, but I wanted to go ahead and tell you guys about it because I did find a new glitch, and we have a price change that y'all need to be aware of for your Saturday scenarios. So first of all, I went into Dollar General to use that DG reward coupon for the Clover Valley water. I told you guys about this deal at the beginning of the week, so hopefully you guys got in on the water deal as well. I went into DG on Wednesday. I completed the rewards. I received my coupon back on Thursday, and I ran in to use the coupon before it expired today, which is Friday. So sitting in front of us here, we have two separate deals. Same exact deal, obviously, but they're two separate deals. Now, I did do a third transaction because I did have a third account with that DG reward coupon on it. So I picked up a 24 pack of Clover Valley water for $4.25. I used that $3.50 coupon. That is a store coupon, and I paid 75 cents plus tax. So that was an awesome deal, and I just wanted to share with y'all that those DG rewards, if you compare those up with sales and coupons, they're really worth it. You come out with some really good savings in the end. So guys, keep that in mind. We should be getting some new DG rewards since those have just expired, okay? So be on the lookout for those, and as soon as I see them on my account, I will post them so that you guys can enroll and start earning your rewards. So let's go ahead and jump right into these two deals. Again, these were two separate transactions, two separate accounts. Digital coupons are one-time use only per account. So I picked up one of the Clover Valley 24 packs of water for $4.25. Again, I used that $3.50 DG reward coupon. The second thing that I picked up were the Skintimate women's razors. Now, here's something that I want to talk to y'all about. This is a quick update. So in my Saturday scenarios video that I posted earlier today, Friday, I included the Skintimate women's razors at $5.50. I'm not sure if there are several different ones at different price points. I know that, of course, we have the purple ones. I think there is a pinkish looking packaging and an orange packaging. The orange packaging, I'm pretty sure, is on clearance at $5.40. In the app, these were showing up as $5.50. But at this particular store that I was at, these purple ones were $6. I cannot say whether or not all the pink packaging was also $6 or not. This was the only one that they had. But I just wanted you guys to be aware of that because I did, once I got home, I scanned the product again and switched my store locations, and they were $5.50 about 10 minutes down the road. So you guys, when y'all go out today and do your 5 off $25 scenarios, please make sure that you scan, because like I said in the 5 off $25 video, prices are changing daily, and it can vary from store to store. So one store, their prices may have went up. At the store 10 minutes down the road, the prices may be cheaper. Okay, so make sure that you scan to price check and scan to make sure that the coupons are attaching. So I picked up the Skintimate razors that you see here for $6. We have a 4 off 1 digital coupon, so that made these $2. So pretty good deal. Next up, I picked up the Colgate Kids Cavity Protection Toothpaste for $1. These are not found in the dollar aisle. You can find these in the regular toothpaste section, okay? So $1, we have a 2 off 1 digital coupon, making these free, plus giving you $1 in overage. So y'all take advantage of that overage this week and try to include these with your 5 off $25 deals. All right, so there is a glitch. Again, glitches can end at any time, so make sure that y'all scan. So $1 in overage for that one. Now here is our new glitch, and hopefully you guys can incorporate this deal as well. If not, I think this one will stick around for a little while. The coupon doesn't expire until June, I think, if I'm remembering correctly. But hopefully this will stick around for a while. But these are the Clorox little dishwasher detergent 3 packs found in the dollar aisle for $1. We just received a new 50-cent off one digital coupon today, which is Friday. So that leaves you paying just 50 cents. So this is going to be a great little filler item. If you guys have already used up some of those coupons that we use as fillers, such as the American greeting cards or the Vicks Vapo Cool Cough Drops, this would be a great item to substitute in for those other items that you've already used the coupons for. All right, so there you have it. There's our new glitch. There's the update on the prices for the Skintimate razors. Again, scan, 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 guys. Can't say it enough. So here is a look at my receipt. For everything that I picked up, I ended up paying $2.25 for 1, 2, 3, 4 items. So a little bit over 50 cents each. I think that is a fantastic deal. And again, I did it on 2 different accounts. So I think that worked out great. Super happy with it. And that is it for me for now, guys. Now again, I have already posted the 5 off $25 scenarios video for this Saturday at Dollar General, and in that video there are 5 awesome deals. So just in case y'all missed it, make sure that you go and check it out. I will leave it linked in the pinned comment down below. Now, I also uploaded a video a couple of days ago going over the new inserts that will be coming out on Sunday, May the 1st. And in that video, I'm going to be giving away some P&G inserts. So make sure that you go and check out that video as well and enter for your chance to win the new P&G inserts. Now, while I was out and about today, I also ran into Walgreens, so I'm also going to be uploading a Walgreens video at the same time that I upload this DG video, so make sure that y'all go and check out that one as well. There's some quick last-minute deals that y'all can do, plus I found some amazing clearance items, and some of them are even money makers. So make sure that you go and check out that video as well. Again, I will have all of those linked down in the pinned comment below for you. Alright guys, so that is it for me for now. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I wish each and every one of you good luck with your 5 off $25 deals today. Now before you go, if you're not already subscribed, please consider doing so and make sure that you turn on those notifications so that you don't miss out on any awesome deals. Also, please hit that thumbs up button because it's a free way that you can help your girl out. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what y'all are doing today, and please share the video. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope you all have a fantastic weekend, and I will see you on the next one.